Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to public inventory in Roblox. First, understanding why you might want to make your inventory public is key. It allows other players to see your items, which is super helpful for trading or just showing off your cool collection. We'll walk through the simple steps to adjust these settings, ensuring your virtual treasures are visible to the community. To get started, log into your Roblox account on the official website. Once you are logged in, look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select Settings. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, you will see various tabs. Click on the Privacy tab to proceed. Now that you are in the Privacy settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Who Can See My Inventory. This is where you control who has access to view your items. Simply click on the current setting, which might be No One or Friends, and change it to Everyone. After making this selection, remember to save your changes to ensure your inventory is now publicly visible. Making your inventory public opens up a world of possibilities, especially for trading. Other players can now easily see what you have, making it much simpler to initiate trades for items you desire. It's also a fantastic way to showcase your unique collection and connect with fellow enthusiasts. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing deals, including a special offer on socks with a lifetime warranty and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.